Hi, good morning. Paul here. The Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Well, let's see what's going on with the greater Las Vegas real estate market today. Okay, looks like we've got a few, about 8 listings that have just hit the market today. Got a little single family home, no pictures, 110,000, 4-bedroom. Oh, if that's a short sale. Court approval, okay. Probate. Okay. Seems pretty inexpensive. Where is the house located? Lamb and Cary. Sunrise Manor. Okay. Well, that'll be interesting. Seems like a good price. So then, the most expensive one today already is this one over here on Luso. 750,000, 2,700 square feet, 1 story, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 3 car garage, pool and spa. 750, huh? Okay. Looks nice. Nice house. Crazy bathroom. Nice pool. See the spa. Maybe there isn't one. Nice gazebo. Says there was one here. Interesting. Oh well, it's priced somewhere else. Broadway. Where is this? Out of the area, apparently. New York, huh? Marked incorrectly. Okay. Yesterday we had 90,000 1-story single-family home. Wow, another cheap one. Where's this one? Oh, it's a mobile home. Okay. Messed up. Needs a lot of help. Is it converted? Looks like it's converted. Called a single family home. Don't say. Okay. Then let's go down to the next one here. Looks like quite a few properties. Previous. Okay, the most expensive one yesterday, $5.75 million. Dragon Point, Dragon Ridge Golf Course, I'm sure. There's another one, Mountain Ranch, just came on yesterday. Size of these things, 78 and 74. Take a look at both of them. This is McDonald Highlands. Wow, craziness. Game room, workout room, pool, spa, Nice. And that was this one. 7,887 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 6-car garage, pool spa, built in 06. This is a brand new one here. Being built now, probably, because it hasn't been constructed yet. It's supposed to have that huge garage. It's just artist rendition. Yeah. Look at that. All on strip view. Okay. So the Donald Ranch is right there. Donald Highlands, and so this one is there probably right next door. Up on the hill a little bit. I brought it there. Huh. Okay. Well, that's that. Let's go over to under contract. We have 527 under contract. New solds. 28. Okay, these were sold yesterday. Country Club Manor, 74.5 condo, 725 square feet. Okay. Pretty good for that. Las Vegas and Payco. Little rental unit. We had a lot closing yesterday. $6.3 million closed yesterday. 12,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 10 baths, 4-car garage, pool and spa, built in 18. A pretty nice property. Craziness. Southern Highlands area. Well, way out there. Actually, Summerlin, I should say. Alright. Well, that's that. What else do we have going on today? Find out what went into for the last couple of days. Single family homes. 3 and 3. 281. All over the place. Clear out here. What's this? Like Las Vegas. 889,000 under contract. Nice paint job. Beautiful view. Alright. Well, I think that that's it for today. And I will be talking to you probably in a couple of days. Today is August 28th, 2019. Almost the end of another month. Have a good day. Bye-bye.